Hey guys, this is Casey, Dice's friend. I just thought I'd update this channel. We were on a hike. I haven't seen Dice in 8 months. That's why he's not releasing content. It's not that he doesn't want to. It's just I can't guarantee he's even alive at this point. So I've been looking for him. I don't know, man. What is that sound? What is that? Dice? What are you doing? Dice, you're alive. Oh, wow. Unbelievable.
Someone there?
How did you survive for 8 months?
Casey, is that you?
It's me, buddy.
Why did you look for me?
I looked.
You knew I was here.
I was looking.
Did you?
I looked. I'm here for you, buddy.
I've been gone. How long have I been gone?
8 months.
I need water.
Oh, you're in a waterfall.
So we're checking out some places, some restaurants, and the star of the show today is I'm testing out the Fujifilm X-H2s. Oh yeah, I said it, S. I'll let you know how this camera is and if I will buy it, because I might buy it. All right,
For sale.
oh, it's still for sale. We're checking out a place that Casey wants to live in. I thought it wouldn't be for sale anymore, but luckily it is.
Your destination is on the
Luckily
left.
it is.
Oh, I'm moving in.
You said for sure?
Perfect.
That's perfect. It is still for sale, as you can see. And it's a very little cute house. Dundas. Oh my god, look what the sign says on the thing. Dundas forever. That's brilliant. As you can see, he has an exquisite taste for home decor and style. For your free and personal quote, visit realestateconspiracies.com. No, that's not a real thing. Don't go there. So here, we're excited because we're hoping he gets this place. It's a lot closer to mine. Vince, no. Let's encourage the girl to also be on board with this house.
Yes. Oh, she's down.
And here, we are formulating a murderous plan in case she doesn't comply. All right, we're here at the next trail, and wow, trail closed? I don't believe it. Oh, and someone thinks that's a shitty idea. Ha, get it? No? Okay. It's off. I think it's probably open. And it's open? It's open, right? It's open? Yeah, it's open. I knew it. See?
Because I guess people cut the fence and they're like, no, we're coming in.
Anyways, so we just came from Sydenham Falls. It was dry as a nun's. Never mind. So we walked around. We walked around for like a little bit, and we found this amazing spot. But anyways, so now we're just gonna go to some metro, like check out some places, future Fortinos, and I still haven't talked about the X-H2s, but I will. All right, now we're here at Fortinos with Casey. Also, not testing out the Fujifilm camera, but he's loving life right now. I'm pretty sure he's in heaven. All right, finally, we're back out in nature, and I will be finally talking about the X-H2s. Will I buy this camera? Will I throw it in the creek? I'll do it.
Oh my God.
I'll do it, Casey. I wouldn't do it. So far, so good. I used the 70-300 earlier, and now I'm using my trusty 16-80. So a little more footage, hopefully, and then I'll give you my final decision. And then we will get some sushi! I'm so hungry. I've been in a cave for 9 months. I can eat everything. Give me the whole place, please. Everything. And then we ran into these strange but very kind gentlemen. Don't worry, not all people from Dundas are like this. But you told me about this bird. Does it really exist? How do you spell it? Down in the comments below, let me know.
Alright, the Beganzers, the hooded Beganzers hang out.
What's a beganzer?
It's a type of a sharp-billed duck.
Oh, okay.
Eats fish mainly. They're very rare to see.
Mm-hmm.
But, and watch out.
And then he says this.
Don't eat any turtles.
Don't eat any turtles?
Don't eat them.
People eat turtles?
It's the weirdest thing to say.
Yeah.
Please don't eat the turtles.
Don't eat the turtles, but
It might be worth going back in there.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a quick hike today
Yeah.
because we've done a bunch of stuff and then we're gonna go eat. But
Yeah, but another.
Yeah.
Watch out for the snakes and don't eat the turtles. Aww. Look at this lovely family of ducks. Mama and Dada duck. Just hanging out, cleaning each other, and fishing for food. Maybe they have a little boy or girl duck back home. Now I'm trying the HDR mode because the sun is so bright. Oh, I can't see. Oh, Insta 360 mod. Didn't see it in the beginning. All good. Come to a conclusion. X-H2s, Fujifilm. I don't know if there's a better camera right now on the market. I don't know if there's a better hybrid camera that actually shoots full video specs with a full range of photo specs as well. It's, 124K, has all the bells and whistles, a million codexes, 26 megapixels still. Camera's a beauty. So I mean, it's obvious. I'm obviously going to not buy it. Got you there. I think it's a little bit too much camera for me. It's quite the camera. I'll be using it for a few more times. I love the feel of it. Love the ergonomics. The menus are basically the same as X-T4, but a little better organized, I've noticed, actually, which is huge. And I guess I'm just going to wait for the X-H2, because that one's, I think, the one. I still have all my lenses, and I have 4 lenses, and I still have everything else I need to become and continue to be a Fuji fanboy. All right. Guys, come on. I'm vlogging. Oh, hello. Didn't even realize there was someone there. Now I feel weird. There's a lady right there. And this is why you need high dynamic range cameras, because you can't see anything when it's backlit. Would this work with the GH6? Who knows? Would this work with the Fujifilm? Who knows? But I got the Insta. That's all I need right now. That's all I need. That's all I need. We're gonna go for some sushi, finally. Oh my god, I actually can't see. Okay, hold on a second. Alright. 9 months of not eating. I'm gonna kill this place. Let's do it. Let's eat it all. Yo, it's moving, yo. That's so weird. Oh, no. Look at it. Not the wind, man. That ain't right. I don't know what's going on right now. It's alive. It's supposed to be eel, but not alive eel. I'm gonna try it. I'm the host now. So weird, dude. I don't recommend it. No. Weird. Yo. All right. We did it.
We did it.
We had an amazing day. I mean, for me, it's been like, I don't know, a lot of days. Like 9 months approximately. But for Casey, it felt like just like yesterday.
It's good you're back. Good to have you back, buddy.
Thanks, man. Thanks. I was really hungry. I mean, eating leaves and bugs for 90 days really puts a toll on your body.
Yeah, that'll do that.
Yeah. So we just did all eat sushi downtown Hamilton. Don't come here in the night. He's about to experience it. But awesome food, really good. Good price too, actually.
Not bad.
And we ate everything. I am so full. If you see my stomach right now, you would unsubscribe. But don't. Do double subscribe. Double subscribe. And tell your parents. Tell your family. Subscribe.
Sweet.
All right, this is it. Casey's going home super late for the first time ever. He's probably gonna fall asleep on the train and they're gonna rob him of all his goods. So thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you think about my idea, about my choice to not get the X-H2s and possibly get the X-H2 when it comes out. Pre-order it. Let me know what you think. Have you had an experience with the camera? Have you had an experience with the camera?
There's no 240p. I'll tell you that much. Yeah.
It's true. It's true.
Don't miss it. Don't miss it.
Let me know what you think down below. Tip, tip, tap. Tip, tip, type. Subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I need water.
Oh, you're in a waterfall. It dried up.
You son of a-